Remove the cover. Remove the inner lid. Not more than max water level. Add 5 to 10 drops of natural essential oil into the water tank. Cover with inner lid and ceramic lid. First clean always on mist. First clean bright light. Second clean winter light. Third clean brushing light. Fourth clean turn off light. Second clean 1 hour mist. Third clean 3 hour mist. Fourth clean 8 hour mist. Fifth clean turn off mist. We can use bedroom. And we can use living room.